Hello children, welcome back to Uma Talks and welcome to English class standard 12. Okay, so today we are going to do Vistas third level, the first chapter from Vistas. Okay, I'll talk about the summary and character sketch, I'll talk about each of the characters. Before that children, again if you would like to know again about the syllabus, I've already posted a video made on the syllabus for English. Okay, I'll post the link below the video. You can go through it. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter explanation. So third level is the author of this particular chapter is Jack Finney. Okay, and the chapter rotates and revolves around a character named Charlie, who is 31-year-old and is a protagonist. Okay, he's a city dweller and he declares, like in his imagination, infatuation, whatever you say, okay, he claims that he has seen third level. Now what is this third level? We'll go about in the story, I'll tell you. Okay, and the theme when you talk about it is a science fiction and genre of time travel. Time travel, as time passes, what all changes takes place in the man, and this you can very well connect with today's life. Okay, I'll tell you how. Okay, and this story normally deals with the theme of escapism. Now what is escapism? Okay, when person gets tired of his normal life, okay, the tensions and problems of life, he wants to escape from it. He dreams into a life, or he dreams of a life which is full of happiness, okay, where there is no problems and no tensions. So that is to escape from the present life. So that is escapism. So the theme is normally that, and a psychological refuge from the grim realities of the present day world. Yes, psychological means mentally you want to escape from whatever you are facing it today. And that happens normally when we are not happy with our present day life. Okay, the grim realities, the real life, whatever the problems, whatever the tensions, whatever the depressions, okay, of the present day life, you want to escape from that. So, and this is like Charlie desires to stay in the past. Okay, and the story deals about it. So, and his wife, Louisa, okay, and he's got a friend who is a psychiatrist, and he also happily escapes. Okay, and with no desire to return back to his old profession. So, normally, this is the story. One more thing children, with that I would also like to add in how it can be correlated with today's person. We humans normally, okay, we keep craving, we keep striving, we work hard for peace and serenity into our lives, and we keep looking for possible escapes. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उससे कैसे हम भाग के कहीं ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं which is very peaceful for us, which provides serenity. Okay, and this story is about time intersection, means it talks about past and it talks about the traveling time, passing time. It is an illusion, completely you can quite away from reality. Okay, a kind of like dream, a long dream that actually dreams we see when we are asleep. So this is a dream during daytime. Okay, and the characters, as I told you, Charlie, children for boards, they do ask you about the characters. So Charlie normally, okay, he is a person, as I told you, 31-year-old, and one day while he is returning back from home, okay, he decides to take the subway. Means while returning home, he has to take some transport, so he decides to go to the central station, okay, Grand Central Station, and tries to take the subway. Okay, and there actually the subway only has got two levels. You can say two exits or two entries and two exits. Okay, and that day he discovers an unknown exit. Okay, and through that long corridors into the third level. And what does he compare it with? He compares it that third level and the Grand Central Station as a huge tree. As the tree keeps on giving thick roots every time, you can see, just like that the Grand Central Station has given you can say a way to a third level, and that is what he discovers actually, which is not there. Okay, because later when he comes to the station and tries to find out the third level, it is not there. So this is what he discovers. And in the chapter it is mentioned that he goes over there and tries to take 2 tickets. Okay, goes to the ticket counter, sees a person wearing green eye shades and all that. That complete description is there. Okay, and he also observes a newspaper. The name of the newspaper is The World. Okay, which is dated 11th June 1894. Okay, and this particular person, okay, he discovers that from that particular level of the Grand Central Station, he could go anywhere in United States. And this is a situation in 1984. Okay, so what he does, he decides to buy 2 tickets and tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. Now, what is this Galesburg, Illinois? Okay, this is a place which is normally where wonderful towns are situated. Okay, and where people live leisurely way of life. Okay, and the houses, big houses are there, lawns, tremendous trees, and a peaceful and tranquil world. Okay, and during summer times, the men of the houses smoke cigars and women will be enjoying with the palm leaf fans. So that is his imagination. Okay, and he decides to buy 2 tickets for this particular place, Galesburg, which I told you just now. Okay, and which 2 people? He and his wife. So when he goes to the ticket window, okay, of that 3rd level, and what happens? The money which he has, the currency which he has, they do not accept that. And over there he comes to know that they would be accepting some old currency, old style currency, and he does not have. So he returns back to get it again and to get the exchange of that whatever money he has and come back again. Okay, and when he comes and tells his psychiatrist friend, okay, he concludes that it is a waking dream wish fulfillment. Waking dream wish fulfillment means a dream which is seen when you are awake and it gets fulfilled. Fulfilled how? Because he went over there, tried to take the ticket, and only because he did not have the currency to pay over there, okay, he came back. So it's a dream, something like that. Okay, and it is because because of the modern world and the problems, the fears and insecurities of life. Okay, he wants to escape, and that is why he saw that. So finally, that is all about it. And Sam is his friend. He's a psychiatrist. Okay, and after some time, you see in the story it is that Sam himself disappears. So when Sam disappears, okay, they come to know that he has himself moved to Galesburg. He has gone to Galesburg. Okay, and how did they come to know? They get a letter from there. The letter means, that is in the chapter it is said first day cover. Now what is first day cover, children? Whenever the stamps are released, okay, what the people do, those who are stamp collected lovers, okay, those who collect stamps, what they do, they put it on the blank, you can say envelopes, and they post it to themselves as well in order to collect it. So something like that, he receives a first day cover, and when he opens that, he receives a letter from Sam, and there Sam has mentioned that he has already moved to Galesburg. Okay, and he concludes that Sam has started doing a business over there. Okay, left his business of psychiatry and started a business over there of grain. Okay, feed, grain and hay. That business he must have started, and his wife also. Up till before that, she does not believe her husband. Okay, but as soon as they get that letter, that you can say that first day cover, that is a proof, and she also believes him, and they both start looking for a place like that, Galesburg. Okay. Now Louisa, she helps. She agrees with the husband. Louisa is the wife of Charlie. Okay, so get to know about this, and Charlie is not an unhappy person as such, but again completely tired, insecure, tensed of the present day life, and that is what is his dream. Okay, so these are the 3 characters, and this is the story about this chapter. Okay, the 3rd level. Now children, psychiatrist, I hope you know, okay, the person who deals with mental situations. Okay, so Sam, his friend, they may ask you to write about any of these characters Charlie is the main character, and then comes Sam. Louisa does not play a very important role in this particular chapter, but still she has that importance. Okay, and so this is the whole story. Okay, Jack Finney. And Jack Finney normally, as I told you earlier, okay, keeps on writing stories, blends with friction and reality. Okay, so children, okay, and let's do once like revision. Galsburg, the town of his dreams, okay, and he compares what, children? He compares that the Grand Central Station, like roots of huge tree, okay, as pushing tunnels, everyday new tunnels, so that, and then Charlie is a 31-year-old person who wants to escape from his present day life. So this is the whole story of third level. Try and understand, and hope you must have understood. Do comment down and let me know. Okay, at the end, when I finish all the chapters, I'll be making videos on important questions asked during the boards. Okay, do let me know what more you want from it. Thank you. Keep enjoying, sharing, liking, and the new people keep subscribing so that whenever I post a video, it comes to you. You get the notification. Thank you.